Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to set up a dual boot system with Windows 11 and Ubuntu step by step. So by the end of this video, you will be able to switch between Windows and Ubuntu on the same machine. So let's dive in and start creating the smooth dual boot experience. So our first step is to create a new partition on our hard drive. This is where we will install Ubuntu. So first open disk management, just search disk management, open this. Now what you need to do is you need to right click on whatever drive you want to create a partition of it. So you just need to create click on this shrink volume. I am not going to do this right now. I am just showing you on the screen the steps by how you can doing that. You can create a separate drive from Ubuntu. As you can see, I've already created a drive named Ubuntu, which is around 198 GB of space. And a tip to ensure you have a recent backup of your data before making any changes to your partitions. But is this okay right now? This is okay, absolutely fine. You will not find any issues with your backup. And I would recommend you to have at least 25 GB recommended storage. But if you want to go bigger with the application, so like in my case I have allocated 198 GB, so you can allocate as much as you want. Okay, so now our next step is to download the Rufus software from Ubuntu, which will help us to create the bootable pen drive. So just search Rufus download and you will get all the links below in the description box. Just download it from here and you need to open this, run this. What? I'm sorry, 64 ARM version. I selected the wrong version. Okay, so here you go. You can see the Rufus software is here, and what you need to do is an 8 GB of pen drive, which we will use to install the Ubuntu in our hard drive, which we've created recently, right? So our next step is to download Ubuntu. You will get all the links in the description box, so please check it out. Just click the download and it will start downloading. I am not going to download it because I have already downloaded it, and I've also created the bootable pen drive to save the time. What you need to do is just connect your pen drive with the PC. It will automatically read the volume and just select the ISO file here. Okay, in my case I am not going to do this because I have already created that bootable pen drive. You just need to select the ISO file and just click that start button, which is right now vanished out because it's already a bootable pen drive. So you just need to click on the start button, wait for 2 minutes, it will automatically create that bootable pen drive, and now we are good to go with the bootable pen drive and all. So we just need to install that Ubuntu. So I need to switch off the screen and we will go to the next step. Okay, so now I'm recording this with my mobile phone to show you how this will work. Just connect your pen drive, bootable pen drive, which we've just created with the PC, and you need to restart your system and try to press escape or F12 to go into boot manager. Okay, so now we are in the boot. Please select the boot device, select the pen drive, enter. Okay, so now we need to use Ubuntu Safe Graphics Try or install Ubuntu. Select the first one, and now wait for a few minutes. It will ask us for the partition, hopefully. So it's booting up on Ubuntu. It will ask us about the partition where we need to install. Just wait for a few minutes. Open the try block. Okay, so here we got this prompt. Click install Ubuntu. Continue. So now click continue. I don't want to connect to a Wi-Fi network right now. Continue and wait for a few seconds. Okay, so please make sure to select this minimal installation, because if you select this normal installation, it will install web browser, utilities, office software, games and media player, which will take a long time. And haptic 2 we will install this later after. Just click continue, wait for a few seconds. The installer has detected this as the following disk has mounted partitions. Do you want to install or try one to the partitions on the disk? Yes. We are waiting for the next. Mm, 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 mm. Now here we need to select install Ubuntu alongside with Windows Manager. Click continue. Now 171 GB Ubuntu SATA ext4 is already selected. Ubuntu knows where it needs to be installed. Click install now. Now we need to wait for few minutes. Ubuntu will take some time to process this installation. We need to wait for some few minutes right now. Don't do anything with your PC. This is much recommended. Don't accidentally put out the bootable pen drive from your PC. It will corrupt the installation. However, the Windows boot manager will be safe in the different drive. Okay, so here we got a pop-up message. So just continue this. It's also saying please note that the resize operation may take a long time. Okay. Click on continue, and now again we need to wait till the next screen appears. Okay, so now we are on this screen and we need to select our country. So you guys can select accordingly. Just click on continue. I am from India, so I am selecting India right now and wait for a few seconds more. The previous process will take some time, in which the partitions of Ubuntu is creating for the installation. So now you can set your username, computer name, pick a username, choose a password, confirm your password. So just fill these details and click on continue. It's copying the files and saying welcome to Ubuntu. So installation is almost done. We are at the end point. Just need to wait for a few minutes more. And by the way, as I mentioned before, that all the details of links and steps are mentioned in the description box. So please check the description box. If you face any issue, then do comment. I will reply you as soon as possible. So if you talk about a dual boot PC, so it will be very helpful and very useful if you are in terms of programming stuff and you are doing something like productivity stuff or gaming stuff. So you can do gaming and productivity stuff in Windows system, Windows OS, and the programming and coding stuff in the Ubuntu OS. So ultimately your PC will be good to handle the productivity as well as the programming stuff. So yep, this is very useful. And I hope you guys like this video. If you find this video helpful, so need to wait for few minutes more. So now our installation is complete. We got this pop-up screen, installation complete. Installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. So just now click restart now, and it will restart automatically and you will get the dual boot options. Okay, so it's saying remove the installation media and press enter. Just remove your bootable pen drive, press enter. Here we go. So it's showing Ubuntu or showing Windows Boot Manager. Okay, so let's try to boot on Windows first. Okay, so now we are going on Windows just to check our files are saved or it has saved or not. Let's see. PC is booting on Windows right now, and the sound. Oh, here we go. We're on Windows, and hopefully the data is safe. Yes, everything is fine. So that's all. Just I'm going just and checking that Ubuntu is working fine or not. So let me shut down the PC, and then again we will check the boot menu. Okay, here we are getting the options. First one is Ubuntu, second one is advanced options for Ubuntu, Windows Boot Manager, and UEFI firmware. Let's boot on Ubuntu. Okay, so you can see our PC is successfully done with the dual boot setup of Ubuntu and Windows 11. So this is a video all about that. We completed the installation process. Please remember this, the installation will take some longer time, so do not panic about it. Just let Ubuntu to process the things automatically for you. You don't need to panic about anything. it will automatically process the things for you and set up the things for you. So you just need to wait and be patient. Okay, so here you can see we are on the lock screen of Ubuntu. You need to enter the password, which whatever you have created. It's entered and it's loading. Few more seconds, I guess. Yes, you can see we are on the home screen of Ubuntu. So that's all for the video, and I'll make some more videos on Mojo and Python, also machine learning and artificial intelligence. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Thanks for your time.